Hello and welcome to our Home Time Art Challenge number 2. Today we are going to do a crayon resist marker painting shamrock project. Say that 10 times fast for extra points. Supplies you will need: paper, crayons, markers, cup of water, paper towel, workspace cover. This is not our art studio at school. This is your house. Paintbrush, cotton ball or Q-tip, something to spread that water around. Here are all the supplies I had. Step 1, use crayon to design your background. I'm going with a Shamrock theme because 1, it's St. Patrick's Day, so why not? And 2, because I heard a rumor about a fun art movement that's sweeping the world where we can decorate our windows with our art as a fun way to cheer people up as they're walking about doing this social distancing thing. So our little neighborhood apparently has decided to do shamrocks starting today for about a week. And then the second part of that challenge is you can take a walk and see how many shamrocks you can find over the next week or so. Okay, so I went with rainbows because they're connected, right, to shamrocks. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. I just kind of did them at different angles, some going off the page for some visual interest. You can go with the whole odd number rule if you want. Don't forget about the white, because that white is going to come important later on with this fun resist. Step 2, lightly sketch your main design. Like your really smart art teacher always tells you, draw light until you get it right. So, confession. I'm not sure I've ever drawn a shamrock before, so it took me a few tries. See, I'm erasing quite a bit. And remember, it's so light you can barely even see my design on this video, right? Whew, after lots of trying, I finally got it. So don't get discouraged. Step 3, use washable markers to color in your design. This is important that it's washable, otherwise this will not work. Once you get your markers going, color the whole thing in. You don't have to be super careful because you are going to blend these together. But, you know, craftsmanship is always important in art, so you still want to make sure you cover it pretty well. There we go. And, you know, Mrs. White does not like just boring flat colors, so I decided to go with some analogous colors, the colors that are close to each other on the color wheel, make nice blending partners. So I put some blue and some yellow on my shamrock, layered it. You have to do that before the next step, which is to use your paintbrush or other tool to add water over your marker design. So I obviously have paintbrushes at home, but if you don't have paintbrushes at home, really anything that'll help you spread it, even a paper towel would work, but cotton balls and Q-tips are good also. You don't need a ton of water because you don't want to get soggy, but just kind of run it over there, let the markers blend, and it'll be super pretty. Here, I decided it was a little boring and I wanted to add some colors. So on my background, so I had a lot of white space.